everybody, I'm Bree the Plant Lady, and today I am getting the wall replanted for the summer using beautiful, colorful Coleus. Now, I need to have 6 per row and 60 plants total to fill the entire wall. I am using my favorite compost, Soil Cube, and the process for planting is really easy. And I wanted to tell you the varieties of Coleus that I got this year. I have Alabama Sunset, Spiced Curry, Gaze Delight, Kiwi Fern, and Dark Star. One of the main reasons I love using Coleus, not only are they really low maintenance and easy to grow, but I love to use them as cut foliage for arrangements during the summer season. And of course, they're really easy to root, just like in water. So from this wall planting, I'll be able to propagate a whole bunch more Coleus to grow in different areas of the garden during the summer season. So as you can see, the planting process is super easy. I'm just putting some Soil Cube compost in the bottom, and then in these long ones, I'm putting 2 Coleus in. I'm kind of orienting it slightly forward. That way I know that it'll be able to grow outward. And now I'm just gonna fill in with more Soil Cube. I know from experience that this soil is just so ideal for this application. And I only have to run the irrigation 1 minute in the morning and 1 minute in the afternoon. So 2 minutes a day keeps this vertical system completely watered. And by the end of the, well, probably by the middle of summer, you won't even be able to see any of the plastic container because each line of Coleus will grow up and cover it and it'll be one huge mass. Okay, as you can see, I've got the entire wall replanted. I've sort of reoriented some of the pots around it to make it a little less busy. I'm really excited about the bottom row of Plectranthus on this side. I think it's gonna look cool. And I've just got the irrigation running on auto right now just to make sure that all the nozzles are working. I see a couple that aren't, so I'm gonna take note of that, and we will get that addressed so that we won't have any problems keeping it irrigated for the rest of the summer. I look forward to sharing regular updates with all of you to show you exactly how beautiful and dynamic this Coleus wall will be. Be sure to subscribe to the Bree the Plant Lady YouTube channel and tune in to my weekly garden tours. Thanks so much for watching, everybody. Happy gardening.